Eat my pip, cut some banana, cook some food. It's my pip. There's a big farm this in my people. Yeah man, homegrown banana. See it nice like me. Yeah man. So I cook some food my people, you see me? Yeah man, so I stay tuned, we got a kitchen. You see this my pip? So what's up? Why I look like this my peep? Because in the fridge. So your skin brown, you see me? Yeah, that means say no good. Understand? So I don't know my people bigs there, I go prepare some food. See it now my peep? I'm on the sour stuff. So you see over here so now my peep? You have the chicken. Really and truly people. I'm mad for the shopkeeper this man. You know why? A chicken back and I the want. A chicken back and aki nice people and that me a prepare. You understand me people? And I'm tell about him not have no chicken back. A video me should have video me a deal with him in my paper. Yes man, but don't know. But still I cook. Banana ya, flour my paper. And look at season basket. But me know I'm gonna cut the banana, you know what I did do? Set on the aki make it one boil. And the pot there so it warm water so you wait on the flour and the banana. You see it no plate, so I mash up some food in the evening so. The bigs are showing you what I go on with the object. You understand me people? When you mean object, me go show you how we deal with the settings. You understand? And when I mean settings, I mean like me go show you how we deal with the food. Yes people, but you don't know Jamaica with this so. We have decent language still, but sometimes you don't know a part of the thing there. Not even English like, what me say? Patois. Yeah man, so I check in this also. Get my sharp knife. Now forward in my plate. Get my sharp knife. Slice up some chicken. So the part of chicken are the breast and the wing. Mixing on one my peep. So I go and cut up this my peep, so I wanna stay tuned. You understand me paper? Wanna see you chop some paper? The flour that you see? Flour, 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 flour. Oh, be calm here, my people. White flour we eating, people. Calm in, so we have to pour calm in like. See it, my peep? I'm going to put 2 drops of salt. Yeah. I'm going to put some in the water. See that? Yeah, my peep. Just leave me eat up my paper. But I deal with the food pot first. Yeah man, the bigs are the food pot first, my people. See it? I'm going to well clean my paper, that you have to know that, you know, my paper. Because you see dumpling, that's why enough people don't eat it, you know. I flour this, you know, but you know when you need something, it has got on dumpling. The reason why enough people don't eat this paper is when them go to a restaurant and the people then come and serve and take a look, them think they're dirty and full of dirt. So you see it, it have to clean like for me want my paper. Clean is where I deal with. Because food is where I got your belly, so you think I have to clean and nice. No matter where you come from, my people, I couldn't even a hog pen you live. You have to clean it up. And you have to clean. You see it, my paper? So, I go through and need up some flour, so I want to stay tuned because I don't want to see how I deal with the flour. You understand? Yes, my peep. Banana time, my peep. See it, my people? Yeah, man, hella big farming, you understand? Hella big cultivation. Yeah, man. Long time I plant still people for me, a little youth. See it? Banana then nice and well fit. I left some on the chief ripe clean on my paper. Yes man, I'm gonna left some pan for ripe. Stay my peeps, so you don't know, stay tuned. See my peep. See more that dumpling. I'm on early hours, you know, so I don't see this. Ella Bigs now do no more cooking for the rest of the day. You see it, my peep? Yeah. So I make sure no flour. Yeah. So I'm going to run them in the water, my people. See it? Run them in the water. See that? Yeah, man, they make them one small because my daughter cussed me and said, Daddy, dumpling not too big, you know, Daddy. I can't manage to cut them big old dumplings, so I have to please my daughter, so I make them small. So I cover this up and I come right back still. Just go for the banana and then make it. Yes, my people, see it? So I'm back. Bananas then, is it? Yeah. The banana them not, I know what I do. My people. Yeah, go stir it up. Good. Oh yeah, cover them now for boil. Come on, we're on a galley, you know. I know I'm call galley already, you know, my people, so. Over the part now, my people. We have some mix up season of the Maggi back. The Maggi done, but we have some seasoning in there, you understand? Yes, sir. Some jerk season and all purpose and season to the bone and all type of seasoning, like my people. See it? So, yeah, deal with some piece of garlic, my people, and crush it. Yeah. Around them, my people, I'm far with them, my people. John, this will make my oil go on that. You know what I mean? With the garlic. But I tell you, I love garlic, you know, people. No matter how I cook, man, I could even sardine. If I have a piece of garlic, I don't feel good at all. Yep. So this is the garlic. Yep. Yep. And this now on a salt, you know, my people, because you don't know say season of salt, don't it? And the ackee boiled with salt, so no salt in it. So after that, my people, we just have to rub them up and I'm going to fry them down. See my people? I'm going to fry them down. So the oil, that's how I wait pan for hot. I want the oil to be hot, my people. Okay? I'm going to hold on for Ella Bigs, I am my people. Okay, hot. So what's up time, my people? So I just a little bit the way I go put in it. Yep, little bit of water. And I go squeeze in, my people. Yeah, now squeeze it. Yep. Squeeze him up. Ready now, my people. Ready for strain. Yep. Get my pip. Ready for strain, my pip. Don't forget your spoon and your respect the strainer a double mesh, you know, my people, yeah? It's a double mesh strainer, so you know, easily for run out, you understand? You like that? Okay. Get my pip. Yeah man, that's what I want in my pip. So I want big. Fry them out dry. I don't have to be too dry neither, my people. You see it? My pip. Evening time, you know. Got you and cut up some carrot. Cut up some carrot, my pip. Different style and way we can cut carrot, you know. Yep. No, but I don't design thing in a heavy. I just run road, my people. You see what that's a run road. Get there. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. I don't know. Blessings to all of me subscribers them out there. You see it? Yeah, I don't know. Watch that, my people. Me have lips tongue. You see me? One for one blessing, one love, one everything, you understand me, babe? Yeah. So seasoning for the cook down the chicken a little bit, not to make cook down like steam it. Yeah, just make it sweat in our pot, so I'm going to show you how I'm talk about it, you see me? Yeah. Good old Scotch bonnet, my people. Now I go try to see them this time because I want them to plant, my people. I'm telling you, say farming soon ready, you know, my people. Nothing beat time still, you know? Yes, my people, nothing beat time. Alongside nothing beat time. As I say nothing beat time, me have the time. Eat me pip. Girl, eat me pip. No, don't move, you know, my people. Watch how I'm going. Don't move. Yeah, so switch on the stove there. What I go on over afternoon, people? As I say, I run. I see that I saw stop juice starting on my people. And when you see this, take a good look. See it? Yeah, man, this I use mix. This I use and sweeten the juice. Yeah. I don't use no sugar, I use this. Because this nice with the sour stuff, I get a different flavor. You understand the people? Yes, man. So I use that now. Okay. So I stop and pine the people. Very nice. Yes, man. Yes, when I go up on the ice and things. Lord God, man. Nice till can't, you know? I don't say it for me because I don't want to buy it. So I go, nice. So I cover him up and I don't move up, people. Still not done yet, people. Yeah. Still not done with it. A little piece of tomato, people. Yeah. Piece of tomato. Yep. This is where I go on because I see them pot me I use in my people. Yeah, man, so this is how we do it, my people. I pour back the chicken them and all that. See it? Pour back the chicken them. Fix them. Yeah, scatter them out with them. They're all over and I cut. See it? Yeah. Wanna see it? See it a bit? So I'm going to pour the water up on that plate. I just cover them down and you got to buy it from the people. Come on. The chicken well juicy down around the place. See it? Yeah. See it? Down in the aki. Okay. Wait. Aki I left in a pot. Yeah, sir. No, I left in a pot today. Coffee, come on. Some black pepper on my plate. Okay. I use spatula and cook my people. Yep. Yeah, I use egg roll to cook. And as you know, I think I don't go do too much stirring because I don't want to acky to mash up my people. See it, my people? Yeah. So I'm going to make that one steam so that the flavor come up in the ackee. And I don't know food pot land and I wait. Man, some chunk of me flour and some banana my people. Man, Jamaican style, ghetto style. And we have a eat some food, my people. See that, my people? Food time, you know, my fans. Yes, my fans. Food time, man. Food time. I'll be line up in plate. Yeah, I'm not fans of today, no people, so you don't know. Me alone, I think my kids over there, them gonna summer class. You see me, my people? So I send them gonna one little thing will start up from the other day. So I'm gonna play this in my people. Yeah, man, that's something I beat somebody in the evening, yeah? Chili flour and some banana. See it? Nice ackee. And the chicken. Yes, eat my people. Yes, man. So I don't know, you know. I don't want too much of chicken because ackee I love, you know, people. If I follow them ackee, I don't even eat meat. I swear to you. Yeah, man. I don't want to say, if I do, I don't want ital cooking, it's just ackee. So when I see you plate them people, I fall with them. I don't know, see juice, so I stop that in my paper. What as me tell you now? Then I will mix it up with a pineapple, fruit tongue. Is it, my babe? Yeah. I'm going to look a nice glass, right, that's it. So I'm going to pour out my juice. Now I'm going to look a nice glass. My babe. Yeah. So see a thing look to my people. Jamaican style. Ella Big's kitchen yard vibes. Yes, my people are yard vibes, is it? So, a little bad fart that my people. And I easy look self right to some people, see? Oh. There's my people in a hot. I'm in the kitchen at all on the people. I don't know nothing changing on my people. Ella Big's never change, yeah, my people. Always be me. Yeah. Never change. But anyway, as I say, thanks everybody. Give thanks to everybody, we mean everybody. All who don't get to see channel, like, I know one day, people going to start running to the channel and hear this me again. Yeah, thumbs up. Yes, man. But anyway, see food as I say. Yes, man. Not to linger with you and make it cool, you know. Yeah, man. Banana. My homegrown banana to my people. And you have to tell you, sir. I bet the chicken I can say, I mean, you too like chicken. I swear to you now, chicken back me love. What me say me love? Chicken back. Them are the way that we grow, man. Ghetto style, Jamaican style. That means so we can't buy a curry goat, you know. I love me chicken back. And me ackee fried down. You understand the people? Cheers. Very nice. So they don't know my table manners, I love me chat a whole heap already. I don't know anything going on, my people. Like, subscribe and share. And thumbs up the video them please, my people. And link me down in the comment section. So I don't want to talk to Ella Big about anything at all. Anything at all. Whether I'm farming, me cooking, me shop, anything, my people. I'm free to link. And you can go up on Instagram and check out my thing, people. My name on Instagram is Ella Big. No space between that, sorry. No space between that, my people. Ella Big, right? Yeah. One love.